They're growing, Dad.
Let's go around and see.
Should we just go down for a second until they work out where they want them? Do you know where they're going?
Yeah, down here somewhere.
Yeah.
Look at these beaches. Some of you may recognise these.
Right, here they are.
Amazing.
You had a great bit. You had a tree growing out of here, but Jimmy took it off.
Oh, you should have left it.
Oh no, I was going to leave it for you.